Today, let's dive into the latest developments surrounding SoFi. We'll analyze current data points, dissect what's driving its performance, and cover everything else you need to know. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell, so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert: this is not a financial advice video. Surprisingly, SoFi is in the green, even though the broader market is experiencing a significant downturn. The market is having one of its worst days of 2020, affecting various sectors and major indexes. The Nasdaq is down 2.51%, and the S&P is down 1.21%, yet SoFi remains resilient and green. Even in the pre-market session, SoFi showed signs of strength, aiming to test the $7.50 mark. Today, its low was $7.57, and its high reached $7.91, indicating a considerable amount of FOMO, fear of missing out. Institutions are also showing confidence in SoFi, with significant transactions above $100,000. As I mentioned in a previous video, there is a noticeable rotation into equities from money markets, despite the challenging timing due to the tech sector sell-off and the semiconductor slump. When examining the volume summary, the actual dollar value is up significantly. Today, SoFi is up about 18.69% on the Nasdaq, 15.89% on the New York Stock Exchange, and 12.74% on the SIBO over the past 5 days. This influx of capital into the market, while it may not seem apparent, has helped mitigate the broader sell-off's potential severity. What's happening in the broader market isn't impacting SoFi's potential for a rate cut in September, which remains positive. There's still a 93.5% chance of a 25 basis point cut in September, and the likelihood for another cut in November has improved from 54% to 60.7%. Anthony's recent interview suggested they expect 2 rate cuts in 2024, which could benefit SoFi's bottom line. However, as of today, there's no new specific news or SEC filings related to SoFi. It's riding the broader market trends in FOMO. Short sellers haven't been overly aggressive with SoFi recently. Despite the stock's significant gains, up 12.45% over the last 5 days and 21.69% over the last month, short interest has been relatively subdued. SoFi's shorting costs have returned to negative, indicating some manipulation efforts. Currently, 17.47% of SoFi's free float is being shorted, amounting to approximately 181.4 million shares. The utilization rate stands at 63.33%, and the short score, which indicates the likelihood of a squeeze, is at 73.75%. In the options market, there's been significant activity with $15 million in call options and $5.26 million in put options, reflecting a high volume of trades. Today, 57.9 million SoFi shares have been traded, compared to an average of 34.8 million. Around 43% of today's options trades are optimistic, betting on SoFi exceeding $9, indicating heightened FOMO. Short sellers often hedge with options at the nearest strike price, so much of the activity around the $8 strike is likely hedging. Higher strike prices like $8.50 and $9 reflect genuine optimism. Open interest data shows 35,000 contracts at $7, 29,000 at $7.50, and 95,000 at $8, indicating potential for a gamma squeeze if SoFi closes above $8 by Friday. This could force market makers to cover around 6.5 to 9.5 million shares, intensifying the squeeze. Technically, SoFi is trading between key resistance and support levels. The next strong resistance is at $7.97, while $7.50 remains solid support. Pre-market trading showed a low of $7.48, but the lowest it reached during the day was $7.57, driven by strong FOMO. On the chart, SoFi is trading above its 50 and 100-day moving averages, with a bullish deviation in the stochastic indicator. Retail and institutional investors are both buying SoFi, indicating strong confidence in the stock. Those who bought at around $6.50 during market dips are now seeing substantial gains, proving the adage of buying when there's blood in the streets. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.